Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to remove your Facebook Messenger account removal 2025. This is the latest version, so please stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to do right now is make sure that we have the latest version, both for our iPhone and our Messenger application. To do that one, basically go to Settings and look for the one that says General. This can also be done on your Android devices or Samsung devices. Just make sure you don't have any pending software update. Basically go to software update. And as you can see right there, I have no pending update. Next one, go to the App Store or Play Store if you have your Android device. And basically with this one, type in Messenger. And as you can see right there, I have no pending update. Now, once I've checked everything is good to go, I'm just basically going to go to Messenger. And with this one, I'm going to click the three dots right there and basically click on Settings. I'm going to go for the one they call Privacy and Security or look for more account setup. But since I can see Password and Security right here, I'm going to click it right there. Go on this one that says Password and Security and click on your account. Let me just see where you're logged in. Click on your account and basically choose and select which one you want to log out to where you're removing a device. After that one, just to make sure everything is deleted, go to Settings. Alright, go to iPhone storage. Give me a second here, it's gonna load out. I'm gonna look for Messenger. And basically for this one, offload the application. On the term of Android devices, this is gonna be the clearing the cache, clearing the data on your app info. Okay? After that, you've been logged out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.